Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can easily select a citation style to use in Word documents. This lesson covers choosing a citation style when you need to add source citations to a Word document. Word gives you access to the 12 most used citation styles. These include the APA 6th edition, MLA 7th edition, Harvard Anglia 2008, and the Chicago 16th edition styles, to name a few. These resources appear on the References tab in the ribbon within the Citations and Bibliography button group. To choose a citation style to use in Word, click the References tab in the ribbon. Then click the Style drop-down button in the Citations and Bibliography button group. A menu of the 12 available choices then appears. Click a choice to select the citation style that best suits your needs. For example, if citing source material in a business document, you would generally use the Chicago or Turabian styles. If using a citation style for a research paper for a humanities class, you might choose the MLA formatting.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.